Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can change your page name on the Facebook page. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our Facebook. So I'm going to open this Facebook app here. So as you can see now, simply we have to go to the menu section. So I'm going to open to the menu section. And now simply we have to click on the settings option. And after clicking on the settings option, simply we have to go to the page setup option. So I'm going to click on the page setup option. Let's click on this. And after clicking on that, as you can see, you will be able to see the first option, which is called name. So we have to click on the name here. And after clicking on the name here, what we have to do, as you can see now, the name is provided here. If you want to edit this, you can also do that. As you can see now, simply if when you are editing a name, you have to wait for 60 days, and after that you can change. If you want to add a nickname, you can also do that. So in this way, you can edit the name of your Facebook page and the Facebook. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.